Hi, my name's Kieran Tudor. I'm Creative Director for Scented, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create these really easy, relaxed and undone waves. So for step one, we're going to prep Laura's hair with our Unwind Detangling Primer. Now Laura's hair is already dry, but what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of moisture into it. And this is great if you have washed your hair the day before and you just want to refresh your style. Or in this case, for Laura, we just want to add a little bit of heat protection. So I'm just going to gently spritz over, and then I'm going to go back in with my hairdryer and I'm just going to blast the product in. But a top tip for when you're drying your hair is that you can actually use your hands and manipulate the hair quite a bit by just adding a little bit of tension to the hair and then following with the hairdryer. So we're going to do that now. Okay, so we've blasted that product in, and in here you've got glycerin and vitamin E, and both of those add a little bit of protection from the heat and also from sun damage and from environmental damage as well. For step two, we're just going to pile Laura's hair on the top of her head. I think it's the easiest way to wand your hair by first of all getting the majority of the hair and just piling it on top of your head and section that out of the way. What that allows you to do is to take sections from the back and bring them over the shoulders, and then you can work on those sections before you work on the rest of the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take my wand, and I'm using the Remington Prolux wand today, which is quite a large barrel and it goes from fat to thin at the end. And I'm going to start by winding the hair kind of loosely, and we want to go in different directions. And the important thing is to leave a good chunk of the end out because we want a relaxed wave. We want it to look quite modern. So we hold for the count of about 8 seconds and then we release. And you're not really looking for a ringlet curl, you're looking for more of a kind of bend in the hair. Top tip when it comes to using heat is you want to choose the right heat for your hair type. If your hair is fine, you don't want to be using temperatures above 180 degrees. It's just going to burn the hair. If your hair is thicker, you can obviously go for temperatures which are 180 up to 200 degrees, but it's really important not to overly apply too much heat to your hair, especially if it's fine and if it's coloured. Okay, so I'm going to show you how Laura would wand her hair herself. Now, if I was going to do it on myself, I'd always hold the barrel so that it's facing down, and you want to take a section of hair and wrap it around so that wherever you work around the face, you've always got the barrel pointing down. And a great thing about the Remington Prolux wand is that this is designed to not overly heat the hair where it doesn't need it. So they actually apply more heat to the base, which is the roots of the hair, and less heat at the end, which is the tips of the hair, which are already a little bit older, so they don't need as much heat. So, Laura, if you take hold of the wand, put the wire over your elbow and come over here, and then give you a section of hair, and just hold that like that, and then just wrap it round and hold for the count of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then unravel, release. There we go, perfect. So just come into the last few sections, and again, just loosely winding the section around, keeping the end out so that the end's a little bit straighter, and holding for the count of 6 to 8 seconds, and making sure that these last sections are just winding away from the face. So if I was going to do that myself, I'd come over, keep the barrel facing down, and then you're going to wind away from the face either way. So wherever your parting is, it's flowing out away from the face, it's more flattering. So now we've created our wave. What we're going to do is we're just going to shake it out. So we're going to use our hands and we're just going to loosen it all out, like so. And you can see it's taking no time at all just to get a really nice, relaxed, undone wave Perfect for refreshing a style, perfect for a work from home look. And if you use the right tools and the right products, you can do it without damaging your hair too.